So the whole concept of raise my game, if you need to look at it more holistically, is um, really creating a positive impact in your workplace via your skills. I think most of the time, what I've seen, what happens is that we stack up a lot of skills, but we lack the application of those skills in the context in which we operate. Okay,
Correct.
so one of the fundamental things, if I ask, is to people in the audience, do you know what is the top two priorities of your manager, or top two priorities of your manager's manager, or top two priorities of your organization? Then second question to ask yourself is, am I contributing to those uh, priorities, and do I have a substantial proof that I am contributing very well to those priorities? Right, I think when I talk about gaming, raising the game, it is important, like in addition to considering the components and the functional aspect of the job, right, which constitutes the entire job description. It is important to uh, have a right kind of line of sight and alignment with the priorities of the organization. So most of the
Correct.
time, what happens is that we stack a lot of skills, but uh, we lack situational awareness, and it can be gained, right? You talk to people, you try to understand. I think there was one time when I was leading, having this leadership position in one of the organizations that I worked with. One of the ways I used to recognize whether I am contributing to top priority of my leadership is by just simply looking at their weekly reports, which they used to send to the rest of the
Yeah.
org. What portion of that weekly report was due to the work that me or my team did?
Me too much done. Yeah.
And it became a constant endeavor to figure out, how can I make my and my team's work feature in those reports. And that was my way, because it'll feature, only thing that will feature in the reports is the one that is being considered important by the manager, and he or she need not tell me all the time, right, that this is important. So there are signals that you can catch. So that's why there is a good deal of situational awareness which is needed to
Correct.
raise the game. And then you keep stacking the skill, but find the avenues to apply those skills in the context in which you are operating.